I've always liked martial arts, movies and anime. I am fascinated not only by the strength of the characters, but also about their techniques, the super cool kicks, and their hard work. I have been stretching from a relatively young age, but it has never been my top priority. My flexibility has improved a lot over the years, but I have never been able to do a split. Then I saw these videos of my friend Pygmy.
Today I'm going to attempt to achieve the full split. Achieving the full split in only 7 days.
I thought, is this possible? Let's give it a try. I started very doubtfully. I thought, probably he's already flexible and just pushed and reached his potential in one day. I thought my case was different, because I'm naturally very inflexible and have worked for years to reach my current level of flexibility. In all these years, I might have not been pushing enough, or haven't been consistent enough. Maybe my stretching routine wasn't very effective, and I should have changed it. So I started researching and looking at other people's stretching routines, but none of them included information, positions and methods I wasn't already aware of. Therefore, my plan was to keep stretching with my routine, but to add a few more warm-up exercises and some PNF stretching, but consistently doing twice a day for 1 week. I was really sore already. I wasn't used to stretch so deeply and push this much. For this I went a bit easier, but still stretched 2 times. Over the days, I haven't noticed a real improvement. Maybe some small mobility gains, but nothing crazy. Last day, I stretched 3 times. 1 morning session, 1 in the afternoon, and 1 more in the late afternoon. But there was no real progress. So, what did I learn from this? I learned that if you don't stretch frequently, you could see some progress in as little as a week of daily stretching. However, if you already stretch frequently, it might be much more difficult to notice a significant improvement and difference. I think it would work eventually, but it would take a longer time, probably some months. I will keep stretching consistently and improve my routine over time, as I want to be able to do the splits and see how long it will take to reach this goal.